Are you hungry and broke? And also in college? And need something to eat? Well, I have the perfect thing for you.
What's that noise?
Well, here you go, young man. Here's some noodles for you. They're only 89 cents. Here you go.
Wow, what's this? Wow, noodles, man. I guess I got some food now.
You sure do.
Thank you, talking guy.
You're welcome.
It ain't sauce, it ain't sauce. Little Willie on the track cause I ain't the boss. It ain't sauce, it ain't sauce.
Hello, guys, and welcome to Cooking with Will. Today we got a cup of noodles. You know, if you ever, in your college dorm and you hungry, you have no food, you're all out of Bulldog swipes, well, you go to any store near here, cup of noodles, 89 cents. And it's real easy to make too. So for the ingredients, all you need is pack a cup of noodles, a fork, a cup of water, and a microwave, obviously, something to heat it up. Alright guys, we're gonna head up to the microwave and let's get started. Alright guys, so we finally have arrived at the microwave. So now we're gonna open the pack of noodles. So we're gonna open the pack of noodles. Once we get it open, we're gonna take our water. Then we're gonna pour it in the noodles. Alright, so then you're gonna follow the directions on the cup, which make it sound. It says stop the water at the line. You don't want to overfill it or put not enough water, just at the line, okay? Then after you do that, you're gonna put it in the microwave for, I believe, 3 minutes. Alright guys, now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then we wait. And now we just wait until it goes off, and then we'll go from there.
A few minutes later.
Ooh, nice and hot, guys, and they're ready. Our next, guys, you will take your fork and you're gonna stir it up. Make sure it's nice and good, and then we're just gonna wait for a little bit because you can't eat it while it's too hot. It's gonna burn your lip off. You know, if you guys are also like me, you can also pour the water out, or you can keep it in. See, me, I pour the water out. I think it's better without the water. It could be too much water. You just hold it and pour it. Woo! All right, now that you're done, you just wait for it to cool down for a few minutes, and then we'll come back to you guys.
More moments later.
All right, guys. So after we got done all the process of you making your noodles, after it's hot and ready, now it's time to enjoy. But also remember, if you don't want to burn your lip off, do a little blow. Tasty. Guys, this has been Cooking with Will. You guys have a good one.